When it comes to turning, gate valves in the street, and curb stop valves to buildings, Reed's selection of valve keys is the most complete and compact around. Reed valve keys are built for strength and durability and feature a telescopic design. When telescoped in for storage, they are under 4 feet long and fit easily in small utility trucks, behind pickup seats, and in car trunks. When telescoped out, lengths of 5 feet to 7 feet are possible. 2 extension shafts are available to further extend the keys as far as 10 to 12 feet. All of Reed's key assemblies will support a maximum torque of 200 foot-pounds. The upper shafts are made from heavy gauge mechanical steel tubing. Curb key ends are machined from solid steel. For greater control and versatility, a variety of tools can be used on the end of T-handles to turn curb stops. Optional clip-on tools can be used to turn small valve wheels and curb box rods. Reed valve keys feature strong welds at critical points. As a safety feature, Reed's valve keys bend, not break, from excessive force. VKP models have a universal joint-type 2-inch square drive socket. This VKP style allows the operator to reach those valve operating nuts that are hard to operate due to an unparalleled valve box. Reed customers can choose valve keys according to their needs of their systems. VK6K-IT is great for water and sewer utility companies to have on service trucks for emergencies and features 6 of the most popular keys in one convenient kit. The valve keys are used manually with the included handle.